Alright, so right now, these are some whitewash. Whitewash, this you don't want a stick for mix it up, you know. Get a stick. Get piece of stick to mix him up, you know. Can I use this? Come on, see there? Come up here now. What I'm going to do now, I just put little painting around the mango tree right here, so. Yeah, man, see? One time whitewash, it never used to come, saying one time whitewash. Them sell you the thing and you mix it out. You see something like one bowl or so, a white bowl or something, and you mix it up. But nowadays, no, them mix it and I sell you. Alright, so time to see what is it like doing this, you know. That brush and a good man. That brush and a good Jordan. Try that brush, you know. Yeah, man, so just put on a little whitewash on the tree. You know, eat a little style, you know. This whitewash is quick though. I have to coat it and coat it to get the look. Yeah, big up all the viewers and big up all the subscribers watching from near and far right now. Yeah, man. Watery. Nothing dry, nothing done, eh? Welcome to Jamrock. That a go on, pan, what a go on. Water your frit. Whitewash. Yeah, I'm even sure me I go to write so yet, you know. But me just go and, you know, put in like motivation. Might have to use real white paint on it. I just test out and see how you record. See how this record for now. Whitewash. Whitewash, I know. Really know something will stay long lasting too tough, you know. That is it, you know. So, welcome back to the channel, viewers, subscribers. Yeah, so right about now, I go chef up some saltfish fritters. So, I have 1 pound of saltfish, but I now use the whole 1 pound still, you know. So, soon wash it off and, you know, scald it off and thing, kind of boil it in the water, you know. So, I have my seasoning right here. Show them how I go. I have my natural seasoning right here. I'm going to use in the fritters. So, as I wash, clean them up, and get straight into cutting them up. You know what I mean? So, this is the scallion. Fresh off of the market. Again, wash. And cut up. I want to stay tuned as soon as I finish clean up the scallion. I'm going to go put it on the cutting board. I like my cutting board shaped like a heart, though. Nice to cutting board, you know. So, clean up the scallion and then start cutting. So stay locked in and clapped in. You know, I shape up this. And you know, today I World Cup finals. So by the time I finish up this, I have fritters feet while I watch the finals, you know. Right now I start put up my scallion and thing. Sometimes I don't come on for the cutting board, you know. I cut them up small, you know. So they are cut up the scallion. A while ago I just realized the external microphone never connect. So hopefully you know hear me loud and clear now. Yeah man, so I get the scallion them dice up and thing. As small as me can cut them. So, no, me no probe on the board, you know. Right. So that's it for the scallion. You know, this off in the thing, you know. This is tomato. Yeah man, so I go try my best to cut up the tomato small. As small as possible. So take time and go through, you know. Cut them up small. Better see if they're sorry. may have 2 more ripe one if we cut up. Yeah. The next 2 ripe one them, yeah. So me love buy the tomato them not too ripe, you know. So them serve long cause me not put the tomato them in the fridge. Matter of fact, me not really use fridge. Most of the time I use fridge, I feel like if me have little leftover food I'm more secure one type of way. Or meat and them something them I put in the fridge. But otherwise than that, none of my vegetable them no go in the fridge. None whatsoever. When them spoil, them spoil. And so that's how you go. Some deal with it. Now you put them thing in the fridge. Juice and them thing they will put in the fridge. And water. Take off some of the ingredients them for the board, you know. So this is the scallion and the tomato. Alright. So WahGwan. So now I'm gonna cut up some hot pepper. It's a Scotch bonnet pepper this, you know. Give it a little spicy, you know. Okay. Right now, so 1 sweet pepper, you know. Yeah, 1 sweet pepper this. So cut up the sweet pepper. And I feel like it don't long short me so. So cook them like this and then cook them fine now. Just dice them up like so. Go and stay locked in and clocked in, viewers, subscribers. Yeah. Until we move on to the next procedure. So I get the sweet pepper and we add pepper for the board now. Yeah. Yeah man, so this is it. Yeah. Season up the fritters, you know. Yeah, so I'm going to try the fritters in a different way. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to grate some pumpkin and use the pumpkin juice to mix the flour. Yeah. I'm going to use too much of pumpkin still now. Alright, I use a little piece of alone. I wash it off and grate it. I don't overdo it. But I peel off the skin part. If when me grate it, I see like more, but I just have that piece. But I don't overdo it still, you know. So right now, done. So I'm going to grate the pumpkin, so I'm making grate out the pumpkin, you know. Just take your time and don't grate off your finger. Yeah, time to catch up the fire now, you know. So this is a guava stick. Well dry, you know. Well dry. Straight in the stove. Set it up, you know. Alright, so time to ignite the fire now. Get this fire light up and going, you know. Breeze a blow. The breeze is blowing. Right. Summertime, you know, if fire go light fast. This is WahGwan for our day. Only heap of breeze that blow. Kind of make it difficult for outdoor cooking. I put in one piece of saltfish. That one scald off. You can put in one little piece on it. That good. That bubble up. Alright, so right about now, I strain the pumpkin, you know. Yeah, man, so I go on. But this thing I use to mix out the flour. Yeah, so my time you have to try something different, something new, you know. Then I go apply the flour, but not ready to apply the flour yet. I wait for the saltfish to scald off. But take it off of the fire right now still, you know. Alright, so right now, I just take the saltfish off of the fire, you know. And just clean it up. And then we pick it up, you know. Yeah. Saltfish will scald off. Alright, so I get it in the mixture. Pick up your saltfish now. What's your saltfish fritters? You know. Pick it up and ensure so, you know, make no bone in there, you know. I mix up the flour now, you know. Yeah, man, little show our blessings, you know. Right. I think the rain going to fall too tough still, but we see what I go on. Alright, so what I go on here now. Yeah, man, so must see a fritters we are dealing with, you know, so if we mix it up, stir it up one thing. Watery. I want more flour in here. The time to fry up, you know. Get it in a pot, you know. Be careful, you know. You know, the mixture. Split that Jamaican. Put one right here, so. Beautiful. So right now I try to flip them over here now. Eat, stand up in the kitchen, you know. Flip them over here now, you know. Beautiful. See what time o'clock I strike? Yeah, man. I have a little challenge with getting the pot level up on the fire. So the thing then get to fry evenly. oil one place, but I come on still, you know. Yeah man, I come on. Right now, fire, you know. More fritters are going up, but you know. So I sweat. Yeah man, whole heap of sweating are going on today. Try flip them over here now, you know. Nice. The fire red on the pot now, you know. Yeah, so take out some of them out of pot, you know. So them beautiful. I want to you want to burn up so. See what time o'clock has strike now? Yeah man, the fritters them ready, you know, but guess what, go on the final start, so we have to check in at the finals soon, you know, so. Yeah, so right about now, the boat land, Jordan him start 8:30. So right now, I bless up the food real quick and fast. So, most righteous and eternal Father in heaven, as I come to you today along with Jordan, I ask that you just bless both of us and just bless our food and let this food be of good nourishment to our body. Bless all our viewers, bless all our subscribers. In your precious name, Jesus Christ, I pray, amen. Yeah man, so fully check in right now in our food, you know. Yeah, me hear around there bumble your mouth when when me pray, me hear you know them sound there. But it's so beautiful. So right now we are gonna dig in, you know. Yeah man, delicious. Yeah, so go so boom, eat piece with the camera and then we are gonna watch the final, yeah. Nice. Carlsberg juice. Jordan drink a film juice already. He couldn't wait. So WahGwan, I don't say nothing. I eat in a silence. Juice near the door. Go and big up on yourself. Remember, viewers, subscribers, like up the video. People in the UK, Canada, USA, please hype up the video. Right now, big up on yourself. Catch you guys on another video or in a live stream, alright? I'll go check out the final now. Yeah, so it was indeed a good ending to this World Cup here. Yeah. Right now, I don't watch the match and I just go straight into some work. Yeah man, I do look work in the evening. This is what's going on right now. So, here are some sticks. Cut them a couple days ago and things. So, I actually just do you just oil them up with some use oil, you know, after you change out oil out your car and thing. See that right there, so I have to screw down in this Jordan. Yeah man, so this is what I use. Whole engine oil, you know, oil them up. And Jordan there are gonna strip off and thing. You know, no see they stick them at the background earlier and thing. Yeah. I mean strip off all of them stick here. Jordan just come on and help me. You know. Yeah. So I strip off them here and thing. And what do you mean? Strip. Yeah, so I get in material them 1122, you know, cause one of them sticky really and truly for use for do some post fencing along the side to go down a river. Yeah. Come on, see. I want to go have a stick. Not sure me I go do with that stick there yet. But me have a hoe, I'm gonna use it for the hoe. Plant one little pepper tree right here, so you know. And look prosperous so far, look beautiful. It's a Scotch, supposed to be a Scotch bonnet pepper. Come on, so. As soon as you finish strip off them one here, we are go oil up and thing and make them go and soak in and thing. Yeah, so that a go on. So big up on yourself, stay locked in and clocked in.